how to record your screen on your Android phone. Here's how. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings or Control Center. Look for the screen recorder icon. If you don't see it, tap the Edit button and add the screen recorder shortcut to your Quick Settings or Control Center. Now, tap the screen recorder icon. A floating screen recorder toolbar may appear on your screen. On some Android phones, the recording may start immediately, while on others, you may see a recording menu first. Tap the Record button if needed to start recording. If your phone shows a floating screen recorder toolbar while recording, don't worry, it won't appear in the final screen recording. For this tutorial, I'm using screenshots so you can clearly see the steps. When you're finished, tap the Stop button on the floating toolbar or the recording notification. Your screen recording will be saved automatically in your Gallery or Photos app. That's it! You've successfully recorded your screen on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.